Hey scholars, welcome back to Science with Mrs. Halka. I promised you a gross one today, so today we're talking about the grossest system, but the coolest system in the body, the digestive system. The digestive system mainly consists of your mouth, your throat, which is going to bring all of the nutrients and food down to your stomach, and then it goes through your small and large intestines, taking out the nutrients that your body needs for your muscles, for your bones, for your brain. And then it's going to be taken out of your system, pooped out. So we're going to first start with our mouth. Our mouth has our teeth, our tongue, our jaw. These are all muscles and bones that are going to work together, just like I'm talking, to break up the food. You can't take a whole taco and swallow it whole. It doesn't work that way. You could choke. It wouldn't taste too good. So I'm going to show you with a really cool activity what it kind of looks like in your body. And I told you it's going to be gross, so you're going to love it. Here we go. Right, so here comes, my bowl is representing my mouth. So I've got a graham cracker here. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. So I've got my graham cracker here, and I'm gonna just break it up a little bit because I'm taking bites and I'm eating it. Yummy. Oh, this is so good, this food. Now, inside my mouth, besides my teeth and my tongue, you'll notice that you have a liquid that is constantly being produced. It's called saliva. And here is my saliva. And you can see as I'm pouring it in, we did it for yellow, so you can see the colors. And it helps break up this food. So here is my body, and I'm chewing, these are my teeth, pretty sharp ones, and I'm squishing up all of the cracker because I'm eating the cracker. So now my teeth and my saliva have worked together to make this gooey mess. And now it's gonna go into the next part, my stomach. So now my muscles in my throat are swallowing it down into my stomach. These cookies were delicious. And I get all my food that I ate, into my stomach. This does make a mess, but it's okay because science sometimes is messy. I'm gonna take my stomach, which is full of enzymes and juice. Sometimes you might hear of acid reflux or acid indigestion. That's what these enzymes are doing in there. So we're gonna pour just a little bit in there. I don't know. And now, we're gonna mix that up. And it's breaking, you can see that it's breaking it down even more. Look at it, it's almost like a complete liquid. Whereas before it was chunkier. Okay, from my stomach, it's gonna go to the small intestine. Okay, so now, after our food is all mixed with the stomach juices, it's gonna go into it's going to go into your small intestine, where it's gonna meet with more enzymes. So we're using this sock to show you what the small intestine does, because the small intestine is very important because it absorbs different nutrients that your body needs. So first of all, of course, more enzymes, because our bodies are just filled with just some really gross stuff. So to show you the colors, we're gonna add just a little bit of enzymes in there. And again, the stomach will mix them up a little bit. Now, we're going to pour some here into our intestine. I think I might use the spoon for this. Okay, so here's some of our stomach stuff going right in. All right, now once it's in your small intestines, it gets squished down, and you can see that the sock is absorbing everything that's in there. There goes some of the nutrients. And you can see too that the sock is starting to change color. Now, as it makes its way down to the small intestine, it's gonna go to the large intestine as well. But you can see, there come the nutrients being absorbed out. And let's see what happens when it gets to the large intestine. Okay, so here we go. Now we've got our large intestine, and our large intestine is going to finish our job up for us here. It's going to take the food that we've now chewed, swallowed, added stomach enzymes to, took out the nutrients from there in the small intestines. Now you can see that it's getting a little bit firmer and not as watery. Now in the large intestines, it takes out even more of the nutrients that we don't need. Well, we need for our bodies. So we take that out. Any stuff that we don't need, we're going to expel, which means toss out. And that's where the fun part is going to come, into the rectum. Okay, so the last part of our food's journey is that it comes through the large intestines where it is now more firm. It has absorbed the liquids, and it goes into the last part of our digestive system, which is called the rectum, or as we just like to say in human terms, the butt. And once it gets to your butt, you can all imagine what happens. Your tummy starts to feel full. You know that you need to go use the restroom. So into the restroom you go. You go to the restroom, and out of your rectum comes your poop, feces. And that's how a graham cracker travels all the way through your mouth, your stomach, your small intestines, your large intestines. Have a great day, and think about what you're eating.